So on this one, I'm just going to show you how to put a hole in the box. Okay, so like there's a little cutout in the middle. And so I call it piercing. Again, the way I was shown as a student, that's pretty much what we called it. But again, you're going to put a little hole in the box. So I drew a larger box. There's that first line I drew, connected it to the right, vanishing point, connected it to the left. And then what I did is I closed off the left side there, I closed off the right side there, connected the right side to the left vanishing point, connected the left to the right vanishing point, and that's how I got that box in perspective. Okay, so what you need to do is basically draw a square in perspective in there. So to do that, you just can start with a line. So I'm just going to put it right here, and again, really, as long as the line is somewhere in there and it doesn't touch the top or the bottom or the left or right, that's going to work for what we're doing. Okay, because it doesn't have to be exactly centered. We're not going to worry about that. Okay, so then what I'm doing is the bottom, I'm connecting it to the vanishing point on the right, because that's what I need to do. This is the right side of the box. See, that's the left. So I'm drawing it on the right. So for this, I need to draw it to my right vanishing point. And then here's the top, and same thing. I'm just going to kind of eyeball how far I think I need to go. Okay, doesn't matter, I went past, that's okay. So all I need to do is close this off. And so again, here I'm just trying to make my line as vertical and 90 degrees as possible. So there we go. Okay, there's my square in perspective. And so if this box was really shallow and I'd be able to see all the way through, there'd be some extra steps. But I'm just gonna kind of keep it simple for what we're doing in class. So what we're gonna do is this box is large enough, you can't see all the way through. So really all you're gonna see is the inside corner. So this little corner, I'm going to line up with a vanishing point, and then I'll just draw it back, and I'll just draw it to right there, and then that's it. And so that is a box with a hole in it. And again, I just drew a box in 2 point, and I use my vanishing points. And then, where I put the hole in the middle, it's just a box, or not a box, it's a square in perspective. And then I just add that inside corner. So the actual square that's in perspective, I basically use the right vanishing point, and then to draw the inside, that inside corner, actually that's the left vanishing point. And that's it. And like I said, this way it's relatively simple for you to do. Let's see, hopefully I'm going to go past any of the lines like I did on the previous one. And remember, when you're drawing, especially these Faber-Castells, they tend to dry a little slower. Just be careful. Sometimes you end up smudging something as you're drawing lines. So sometimes you have to kind of give it a little bit of time to dry. And then there we go. And that's it.